Hey everybody, today I have another wholesome anime unboxing video, and this is Campfire Cooking in Another World with my absurd skills. This I actually did quite like. It was one of those casual animes where, like I said, wholesome. It wasn't too violent, it wasn't too much sadness. It was just, he gets isekai'd by mistake, shouldn't be there, has a menu skill, do online ordering, gets kicked out of the kingdom, goes on an adventure, gets a Fenrir as a friend, a familiar, should you say. So, yeah. I still quite like this one, and it does make me want to eat some more because when I see the stuff he's cooking, it's like I really want to make that myself. And I get if you're trying to starve yourself, this is not the film to watch or the anime to watch, should I say? Because it will make you have the munchies. So just keep that in mind. And it was originally $34.99, but I got it for $24.99, saved £10 off because it was part of HMV promo, and there is a stupid sticker which is really annoying. I hate how HMV have done this now. It's so stupid. They tape round, just why would they do that every single time? Because now I have to do the awkward of trying to get inside. Can I at least, let's try this. Break that down there. Okay, that's not going to work. Let's try. There we go. Perfect. That one's down. Okay, it does damage the actual slip cover itself. Yeah, that's not a good look actually. But there's the back. If you guys want to pause and read, feel free to do so. The spine right there. And the artworks on the two are exactly the same, which means the spine will be the same and the back's exactly the same. They did nothing to change that up. I feel like my autofocus has a mind of its own on my phone. Then we have disc 1 to 8. Disc 1 has episodes 1 to 8, and then disc 2 will have episodes 9 to 12 with the special features. And the artwork is semi-right. Then we have back, which is just like another poster thing. If you want to, show it off. Put that back in. And I believe they're making a season 2 of this as well. So whether that gets released this year or next year, it's still something to look forward to. And I feel like it deserves a second season at this point because it just left on a good note where it's like you want to see what happens next. And instead of leaving it up to the manga or light novels, you now have the anime to see it for yourself. So hopefully that comes on physical next year, or hopefully by January time, if possible. But yeah, that's another unboxing video. I hope you guys have enjoyed. Please leave a like, comment, subscribe, and notifications. I'll see you next time. But until then, take care.